All right, you're all set. You got your right out front there, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, cool. Have a good one.
You too. I'm nervous as shit. Oh shit. Count of three, I'm gonna have the rail of the seats. Y'all ready? All right, 1, 2. All right, let me try this one more time, y'all. For y'all. All right, I'm gonna have rail of the seats in 1, 2, 3. Look what we got here. Look what we got here. Sheesh. Yo, this is me. Shit. Feel that shit, nigga. Yo. Man, yes sir. Can y'all see it through the glass? Yes sir. Let's start from the back first. I mean, excuse my car, it's a little dirty right now, but I'll see what's up. Yes sir. It's pretty soft. Close up on the stitching and shit. Nice old lady wrinkle ass. You know what I mean? It's a good job. I'm gonna show y'all the other side. Whew. And I know what y'all thinking, man. You know what I mean? Let's get it. You almost can't even tell. Man, we in here. You almost can't even tell. It's been seeped in very nicely. You almost can't even tell. I should get this red too, right? Either that or black. I'm trying to think. I know y'all gonna think like, yo, this gotta get changed to the red. I don't know what you guys think, man. I actually like, cause it has a gray top. I'm actually kind of getting used to the gray top now and the gray door panel. But I do want to get a bigger screen. You know, this is touchscreen, of course, but it's pretty small. You know, it's pretty small, and I don't like these lines, so I'm thinking about getting that replaced. I took it to Hyundai. They said that they could do it, and then when I pulled up, they said they couldn't do it. So I don't know, man. I think the lady on the phone didn't know what she was talking about, but what y'all think? Alright. Sheesh. Yeah, I might just get this painted black or something, or maybe red, I don't know. What y'all think about the headliner though? Should I get it black or should I just leave it as boring gray? I think the gray actually goes with the door panel, so I think yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it like that. Or just get it black, or just black everything. I don't know, you guys tell me. I'm thinking about putting dash lights right here, you know, like the glowing S550 lights for Benzes. think I want to get it in red, or I already got a blue pair. I just need to put it in. I'll let you guys know about that. And I went to Levittown. Shout out to RSC. Yeah. Y'all see that? So it was $500 down, and then $1,495. So, and then I just had to pay $1,084. So basically $1,600. You know, you want to estimate it. And I just got this bad boy today. So let me know what you guys think, man. Any questions? Like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna get this thing to the car wash, man. Fuck it. There you go. That's how I look from the back seat. You know, very comfortable back here. I'm not gonna lie, it's very comfortable. But yeah, this is how I look. This is my Mango. But yeah, that's how I look from the back. So y'all tell me what's up. Should I bother with the headliner or just keep it like this? I do want to put the lighting strip over here, like I said. And the more I look at it, the radio ain't that bad. It's just so small, and I hate those lines on the... I just hate these lines. You can't even see it. I just hate these lines right here. It just annoy me. Even though it's touchscreen and stuff, it don't have CarPlay, Apple CarPlay. I'm thinking about putting the After brand on it, but I don't know. I want it to look like the real thing, you know, because this car is a 2020. Or y'all just tell me I'm bugging. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe I should get this painted black. Y'all let me know in the comments what I should do. Like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Yeah, that's how it look.